Have you ever checked your credit report and found mistakes that you didn't make? Mistakes that are affecting your credit score and potentially costing you money? If you have, you're not alone. Credit reporting errors can happen to anyone, and they can have a significant impact on your financial life. But the good news is that you don't have to just sit back and accept them. You have the right to dispute inaccurate information on your credit report, and there are professionals who can help you do it. At Credit Revive, we specialize in helping people dispute inaccurate information on their credit reports. Our team of experts knows the ins and outs of the credit reporting system and can help you navigate the process to get errors corrected quickly. When you work with us, we'll start by reviewing your credit report and identifying any errors. Then, we'll help you draft and submit dispute letters to the credit bureaus. We'll also help you follow up on those disputes to make sure they're resolved as quickly as possible. I was skeptical at first, but Credit Revive's emergency credit technicians were able to get an error removed from my credit report that was dragging down my score. I couldn't have done it without them. The process of disputing credit report errors can be complex and time-consuming. But with our help, you don't have to go through it alone. We'll be with you every step of the way to make sure you get the credit score you deserve. Don't let credit reporting errors cost you money. Contact Credit Revive's emergency credit technicians today and let us help you get your credit back on track.